We spent some time in Steamboat Springs, and while we were there, we went for a hot air balloon ride. This is a video of our experience. Not sponsored. It is too early for my liking.
To be smiling like this?
We are about to go on a hot air balloon ride. It's
First time ever. Yeah, I'm a little bit nervous. I don't know about you.
It is supposed to be pretty cold this morning, so I don't know, maybe the heat from the balloon will keep us warm. The flights occur in the morning hours when the wind is calm. The cost is $295 per person as of 2023, but see their website for more details. I'll have a link for it down below.
Welcome on board, everybody. My name's Bud. I'm going to be your pilot today. That's sign up for you.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
That's good.
Wild West Balloon Adventures is owned and operated by a husband and wife team. Bud, the owner and pilot, has over 1,000 hours of flight time, and he made us feel safe the whole time.
We'll tell y'all a little bit about this balloon. It's a Kubicek made in the Czech Republic. The balloon's made out of a polyester material. What we call a 211, there's 211,000 cubic feet of space above us in the balloon. To get a mental picture of that, you can fit about 211,000 basketballs up there.
On the day that we flew, one of their crew members, who was really awesome, her name was Michelle, she took photos that were then emailed to everyone after the flight, and I just loved that they did that because it's just really a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for a lot of people, and having those memories is just, really precious. I think one of the biggest things that I was fearful of before we did this was the landing. I have seen YouTube videos where the basket landing is kind of like out of control and wild, and so I was nervous about it. But the crew was awesome. You can tell that it was well rehearsed and it felt like a really smooth, choreographed thing. And they really did work like a well-oiled machine. And the whole time we felt extremely safe. And the landing was the softest landing I think I've ever experienced.
What'd you think?
That was awesome.
Was it so cool?
It was so smooth and calm.
Yeah.
It was pretty cool.
I would definitely do that again.
Yeah, that was awesome.
There they go. There goes the next flight. That was so much fun.
This video wasn't sponsored. We did pay for it with our own money, and this is our own honest opinion and review, but we really did have the best time, and the crew was so wonderful, and it was an awesome opportunity to see Steamboat Springs from the air, and it was incredibly beautiful. So I highly suggest, if you have the time and the money and the nerve, book a flight, and I don't think that you'll regret it. It was pretty incredible.